Well, it's almost that time of the year for me to start my seeds. Today I'm going to talk about a couple tips to help you seed start. So the first thing you want to do is you want to moisten your growing medium. And I already put water in here. Now, if you do not put water in here and then mix it up, the water just kind of sits on top of the growing medium and it doesn't get down deep. So you want to make sure that you really, there's lots of water in here, and I'm just trying to mix it up and get it all nice and moist. And you want it to make sure that when you squeeze it, then it stays just like this, and then it's ready. So you want to fill all the containers up, and then usually I just kind of run my hand over it like this, and then sometimes I will smack it down. Just fills in just a little bit more. You can press lightly. Make sure that you read the back of the seed packet. This will tell you really everything you need to know about the germination of the seed, what light it needs, the spacing, if it needs light to germinate or if it needs dark to germinate. So these seed packets they come with every seed. They are so important. You need to read them thoroughly and follow those directions. They're the experts. So you're not sure exactly when to start the seeds indoors. Again, look at the back of the seed packet, and this seed packet says to start this seed indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. So you get your last frost date, you can look that up online, but depending on your planting zone, and then you count 6 to 8 weeks earlier than that, and then that's what you would plant the seed indoors. Now, every seed packet does say whether it's better to sow them in the ground or plant them indoors, so make sure you really look at that also. Make sure you label all of the seeds that you plant, and then the last step is putting the lid on so you get the humidity going. And then of course I have my warming pad down here, so it's the right temperature for the germination. Some plants require light to germinate and some don't. So make sure you look and see what you need. Happy gardening!